Hello and welcome to this video where we are going to be checking out some Zilliqa updates on the Zilliqa blockchain. And after these news and updates, we will also check out the price chart as usual. So as always, an early like is very appreciated on the video. So thank you for doing so and let's go. So here on the Zilliqa blog page, we have a very nice summary of the Q2 for Zilliqa with the top 10 Zilliqa highlights. One of the highlights is that Zilliqa surpassed 20 million transactions during this period of second quarter of 2021. And straight to the first point, we can see the campaign for Zilliqa football stars, which I've covered in one of my short videos. They have been minting some NFTs for this event. And also what ties to this campaign is the Zilliqa emoji that went live on Twitter, which was triggered by the hashtags for the Zilliqa football fans, etc. And it also was a trending hashtag in hashtag Singapore, so that was very exciting. And apart from this, there were also some new partnerships with the XCAD token listing on Zilliqa, where the XCAD network is focused on YouTube ecosystem. And for example, as a YouTube viewer, you can earn those tokens and stake your XCAD to earn greater rewards. And this network also partnered up with Mr. Beast and KSI, for example. And apart from this XCAD partnership, there was this UFF sports partnership as well. Number 4 was the Y Lab and the Y Lab versus Zilliqa event in order to reach out emerging artists from various fields to help them understand NFTs, so that was very cool as well. And then one which I've covered also in one of my previous videos was the launch of Zilliqa Ambassadors program, and I believe you can still apply to be a Zilliqa ambassador right here on this link. As a point number 6, there was this new NFT based game called Demons, so if you haven't, you can also check it out. And then one very important in my opinion is number 7, which is the Zilliqa expansion into China. So this is very interesting. You know, China is one of the largest countries by population in the world, and they have hired 6 new community members to help enhance their presence in China, and they call it the Zorro team. And also they've launched this new website, china-zil.com, to inform new and upcoming or the old members and trying to get a bit more reach in that region. Number 8, there was this Learn Zilliqa website makeover, so an update for this website. And as number 9, we had the Wave ZIL Hive Grant Awards announced, so another 10 new programs added to the ZIL Hive Grants program. And one of these 10 were CC Tip, which is similar to, for example, Brave token, which is the BAT token. And this cryptocurrency serves as a tipping tool on renowned social media platforms like Reddit or Twitter. Another one of those 10 projects was Novelist, which is an NFT browser wallet for Zilliqa blockchain with also integrations to ZilPay and Thieves. And finally, I would point out this Endovu, which is an easy access micro investment platform to financial markets in Africa. So also interesting expansion into the African continent, as Cardano is pushing lately as well. And also finally, this huge media success where they reactivated engagement on social media via platforms like Instagram or Facebook, and this interaction grew by 95% over this period in April and May in comparison to the previous month. And also apart from this, they also get a great shout out from Nasdaq as one of the projects with strong potential in 2021. So I also recommend this checking at this link down here. I will put it in the video description so you can check it out. And that's it for this short update about Zilliqa blockchain. And now let's jump into the price charts. So after these very positive news about the underlying fundamentals of this blockchain itself, we have some more concerning developments regarding to the price charts, to the technical analysis. We can see that the price now has been falling quite significantly after these huge sell-offs of Bitcoin. There was another continuation of sell-offs here, and in total we are down about 70% at the moment, so the price is sitting just below 8 cents at the moment over here. Today we had a nice bounce back of about 10 to 15%. However, we are still sitting pretty low in comparison to the previous all-time highs here in the middle of May. And what's even more concerning is that we broke this support over here, this support of this very long price channel going all the way back to February 2020. So in this price channel pretty much the price remained for over a year. However, now recently we've broke out of this price channel, so this is a bit concerning development. And now there is this support right over here around the 6 and 6.5 cents to support the price, which also goes all the way back to the April and August period of 2018 over here after the previous all-time highs back there. So this should be quite a strong support, but it's starting to look a bit more concerning regarding the Zilliqa price at the moment. Also, there is this new resistance which I've highlighted over here, so we are still moving under this resistance for over a month now. So we are getting into this wedge pattern over here. So now I think it's important to wait until we cross this resistance line over here, do a bit of a break and then maybe a bit of a back test before heading back to some kind of an uptrend. But for that I would also check out the Zilliqa to Bitcoin ratio, which could be very important to see how is the Zilliqa standing in relation to Bitcoin, which is the most important cryptocurrency still today. So we are just not looking at the price in relation to the US dollar, but this ratio gives us a better idea about the crypto space as a whole. And now we can see that we are still in this price zone, in this price channel over here, which goes all the way back to the beginnings in 2018, and recently for the past year we stayed pretty much in this zone. For the previous year of 2019 we've dropped all the way under this channel for a couple of months, but now we are right in the middle of this price channel, which doesn't suggest any changes in trend should occur anytime soon, and there is still a lot of space to move upwards towards this upper resistance or down here toward this lower resistance. If this ratio goes down or up, it doesn't mean that the price in US dollars goes down and up. This is just a relation to the Bitcoin. So if we look at it like this, we have the Zilliqa in relation to Bitcoin. So if actually both of them go down at the same time, this ratio will remain exactly the same. But if one of them goes down a bit more, like Bitcoin would fall down way more than Zilliqa, then this ratio would actually start to go up. And because Bitcoin was in a bit of a consolidation lately, we can see that it is going sideways for pretty much a month and a half now. And also looking at this altcoin season index, which I mentioned in a couple of previous videos already, we are getting out of the altcoin season, which is the 75 mark over here. We are now at the 69, which is on one hand very nice, but also it means that we are getting out of this altcoin season and there will be more pressure on altcoins, and the Bitcoin will probably start to rise up again in price, which could put the price of Zilliqa more down. And I wouldn't be surprised if we even pass this support down over here and head to more downside. However, everything is possible in the crypto space, so you just have to be prepared for a lot of volatility and large moves in a short period of time. This space is still evolving rapidly, and also the fundamentals can change just in a couple of months. But this is all I wanted to cover in this video, so I thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this one, please make sure to smash the like button to help this channel out in the YouTube algorithm, and you can also subscribe for more future crypto content to come on my channel, and I will see you in the next one. Cheers!